Hello everyone, this is Shivam from Gossipfunda and today we are going to fix an issue on Hulu, the streaming platform. So when I'm trying to stream content on Hulu, then it's not opening and a message appears with error code P-EDU101. So we're gonna fix this issue, and if you're also having the same, then watch this video till end and let's start the video without any delay. So the main reason behind this issue is a VPN. So when you try to stream content on Hulu using a VPN which is incompatible with Hulu streaming service, then you face this error. So in order to fix this, what you have to do, simply try Hulu without using a VPN or use a VPN which is compatible with Hulu service. The second thing you have to do is to clear Hulu cache on the settings of your device. The next thing you can do is to update Hulu app. After updating Hulu application, restart your device and your issue will be resolved. This may also occur because you are using a blacklisted server. So try to change your server. Also make sure you must have a proper internet connection. If this not work, then simply contact customer support of Hulu. So these were some ways by which you can fix your issue. I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.